57 flavors!
Hey everybody, something for the vegans today. Quickly look at the ingredients. Once again, you can pause, so no rush there. This will be a quick video. Everything's self-explanatory, 1 or 2 pots. Is all you'll need. These are the brands that I use. You can use whatever you want to. We're down in Houston, so HEB is a great resource for us. The base of this is the sauce. So starting with your oil, your sauteed onions, and your coconut cream. This is the main thing that you want to pay attention to. This, if you get this part, everything else is seamless and smooth. You want to add your seasoning to this mixture and just kind of let it boil down. Then you'll add your field roast. I chop it up into cubes. I use blinks and I chop them up into cubes. And I also use portobello mushroom caps. The reason why I use the caps the way I do is because the sliced mushrooms, they kind of get lost in the sauce for me. I like something that's really meaty, and mushrooms that are just really just boiled down are just meaty and amazing. So I add the caps into this mixture. It gives an amazing flavor when you let them boil. Colors is really something important that you want to pay attention to on this. It'll be a darker brown, rich color when it's ready. Another thing with mushrooms is they create water. So now that your sauce is thick, it'll get watery again, so it'll have to once again boil. This is probably maybe a 20-23 minute process. When you're boiling your noodles, one thing that you should do is add oil to the mixture. That'll keep the noodles from sticking. This is probably about a 7-minute process. So you got 22 and 7. This is about a 30-minute pot. As you can see, things are boiling well. Now you'll add your vegan cheese. You see that color there? It's a darker color. Once you add that vegan cheese, be sure that it's catching the heat, because vegan cheese does not melt as well as, a cheddar or something like that. So you have to really make sure you stir it well, get it stirred in, and really make it a part of this creamy, rich sauce that you have. Bring these to a boil, like I said, 7 minutes. Don't overcook. They shouldn't be flimsy. They should be nice and tight, but they should not be crunchy al dente. So you drain those and you go ahead and add it to your cream. So basically you're done at this point. You add the noodles to your cream, you add a little seasoning on top, make sure you stir well. Once again, 57 Flavors Catering. Catering needs, www.57flavors.com, at 57 Flavors Catering on Instagram, and 57 Flavors Catering on Facebook. I thank you. We'll have more of these videos to come. This one for the vegans. Hope you enjoy.